Indian Premier League 2026 match number 3 Rajasthan Royals vs Chennai Super Kings. Match played at Barsapara Cricket Stadium, Guwahati. Rajasthan Royals won the toss, elected to field first. Chennai Super Kings 19.4 overs, 127 runs all out. Jamie Overton is the highest scorer, 43 runs, 36 balls. Then Rajasthan Royals best bowling spell, Jofra Archer, 4 overs, no maiden, 19 runs, 2 wickets taken. Rajasthan Royals 12.1 overs, 128 runs, lost by 2 wickets. Vaibhav Suryavanshi is the highest scorer, 52 runs, 17 balls. Then Chennai Super Kings best bowling spell, Anshul Kambus, 3 overs, no maiden, 27 runs, 2 wickets taken. Rajasthan Royals won by 8 wickets in this match. Player of the match, Nandra Barjat. Congratulations Rajasthan Royals cricket team.